Do you want to know the best eyeliner colour for your eyes? My name's Katie, I'm a professional makeup artist and I'm about to share with you the eyeliner shades that promise to make your eye colour dazzle. Keep watching for your colour eye and keep watching until the end because I'm going to share an essential tip for making your eyes look truly fabulous. If you have hazel eyes, try using a bronze, gold or copper metallic eyeliner for a stunning dazzling effect. If you have brown eyes, then choose to wear a midnight blue colour, a deep purple or a charcoal grey. Blue eyes will pop and look very vivid when you wear rich warm brown tones plus champagne colours, bronzes and golds. For green eyes, you can make them look more vivid when you wear rust and burgundy shades. If you want your green eyes to really dazzle, then try plum shades, aubergine shades, violets and purples. Here's my top tip for experimenting with wearing new eyeliner colours on your eyes. So as a makeup artist, I find that most of us are comfortable when we wear a neutral tone eyeliner such as a black. So if you want to try adding in a colour to your makeup but you're a little bit unconfident, then try lining your eyes with black first and then taking your favourite coloured eyeliner and just gently placing it above the black line. This will give you the kind of comfort blanket of the black, but also add in just a pop of colour to make your eye colour sparkle. As a professional makeup artist, I have searched high and low to find the very best eyeliners for you. These are smudge proof and they glide on like a dream. Once they're on, they don't budge and they come in the most beautiful shades. You can click below to see all the shades and how they could look on your eyes. If I've helped you in this video, please like and follow for more of my expert makeup artistry tips. For more of my expert